On the 20th of May, 1932, 5 years after Lindbergh, Amelia Earhart successfully carried out the Atlantic flight between Newfoundland and the British Isles in a Lockheed Vega. The weather conditions were not very favorable, and her wings covered with ice, forcing her to descend to 3,200 feet, but eventually she made it. She had traveled the 3,700 kilometers in 14 hours and 54 minutes. The Lockheed Vega 5B, in which she made her journey, was a monoplane with a great cargo capacity and a large cockpit. Its wingspan was of 13 meters and its cruising speed 80 knots. It was the first aircraft to be built by the Lockheed Company.